This week, my husband and I celebrated our 8th anniversary. And while this might not seem like a big milestone, it was one I was very excited to get to because it meant that we beat a statistic. You guessed it, the average length of a marriage in the United States is just 8 years. Which brings us to another statistic. 59% of Americans cite money and finances as a reason for part of their divorce. Yikes! Money is a sensitive topic, but it should be one that you're willing to speak openly with your spouse about, or anyone that you're trying to hitch your wagon to. It should also be something that you're willing to carve out time for each week or each month. This way you can go over the numbers and check in with each other. You owe it to yourselves to make this a priority. If you need help getting started, just navigate over to evolvecap.com and go to Love and Marriage. There you can download this amazing questionnaire to get you started. Let's beat the statistics together. If you need more help with this, just let us know. We're always happy to help. We want you to join us. We want you to join the evolution. Hello! Thank you for watching our video. We would love if you would subscribe below, and we'd love it even better if you'd have all your friends subscribe too. If there's any content you'd ever like to see, just let us know. We are always happy to help. We want you to join us. We want you to join the evolution.